Hello everyone, I am Sujata Mori. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic Introduction to Partial Differential Equation, which includes definition, formation, and solution of partial differential equation. Learning objectives. Learners can identify the difference between ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. They can understand the concept of partial differential equation. Types of differential equation. Differential equations are classified into several broad categories and divided into many subcategories. The most important categories are ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Now, examples of ordinary differential equation. Here, in this example, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. In partial differential equation, here u is dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. Now in this video, we are going to discuss partial differential equation. Definition of partial differential equation. An equation involving partial derivative of a function of two or more independent variables is called as partial differential equation. Consider a function z is the function of x and y. Then del z by del x equal to p, del z by del y equal to q, del square z by del x square equal to r, del square z by del x del y equal to s, and del square z by del y square equal to t. These are the standard substitution. Order and degree of partial differential equation. Order of a partial differential equation is the order of the highest differential coefficient in the equation, and degree is the exponent of the highest order partial derivative in the equation. Types of partial differential equation. Linear partial differential equation, and second is nonlinear partial differential equation. Linear partial differential equation is of first order in the dependent variable and its partial derivative, and otherwise the equation is nonlinear partial differential equation. Method of forming partial differential equations are two methods. First is by elimination of arbitrary constant. Second method is by elimination of arbitrary function. Now we discuss examples of it. By elimination of arbitrary constant, here this is the equation. In this equation, c and a are arbitrary constants. Now we eliminate these and form the partial differential equation. Now consider the given Q is equation number 1. Now differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x. Therefore here derivative of x square is 2x, then derivative of y square is 0, derivative of this z minus c square is 2 into z minus c, and z is the function of x and y, therefore del z by del x equal to 0. Now in next step we cancel these two and substitute del z by del x equal to p. Now similar gives equation number 2. Similarly, we differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Then derivative of x square is 0 plus derivative of y square is 2y plus derivative of z minus c square is 2 into z minus c into del z by del y. Now in next step we eliminate 2 and then del z by del y equal to q, its value equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now on solving this equation 2 and 3, that means we substitute the value of z minus c from equation 2 in the equation 3, and then we get this equation. Simplify this equation, which is the partial differential equation where p is del z by del x and q is del z by del y. This equation does not contain the arbitrary constants c and a. In this way, we form the partial differential equation. Now, second method is by elimination of arbitrary function. Here z equal to function of x square minus y square. Consider the equation, then differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. Then derivative of z is differentiation of z is del z by del x equal to p f dash x square minus y square into 2x term. Then del z by del y equal to q f dash of x square minus y square into derivative of this bracket is minus of 2y. Now divide this equation 2 and 3. Then we get p by q equal to, here substitute the value of equation right hand side of equation 2, and this is the right hand side of equation 3. Now we cancel this f dash of x square minus y square, then we get this term. On simplifying this, we get the partial differential equation, this equation number 4. P is del z by del x, Q is del z by del y. In this way, we eliminate arbitrary function from the given equation and forming the partial differential equation. Now, solution of partial differential equation. Here we consider the example del square z by del x del y equal to x square y. By directly solving, integrating this, we find out the solution. Now consider given, then on integrating with respect to x, we get del z by del y. Integration of x is x cubed by 3 into y plus function of y. Now on integrating with respect to y, we get here again x cubed by 3 as it is. Here y, integration of y is y square by 2. Here function of y, therefore we write down integration f of y dy plus constant value regarding function, therefore g of x value. Now this integration, we substitute this value as capital F of x, therefore z equal to this value. In this way, we solve the partial differential equation by directly integration. Now there are different types of solutions, that means equations are there. According to the equation, we solve the equations. Here partial differential equation of first order first degree, that means Lagrange's form. The equation in the form of PP plus QQ equal to R, where capital P, capital Q and capital R are the functions of x, y, z, and del z by del x equal to P and del z by del y equal to Q. The solution of differential equation of the form dx by P equal to dy by Q equal to dz by R, which is the auxiliary equation. We solve this equation and find out two solutions. Now, we find out these two solutions by different methods: grouping method, substitution method, or multiplier method. Any combination of these three methods we can apply and find out two solutions, u equal to c1 and v equal to c2, and lastly complete solution is f of u v equal to 0. Now, linear homogeneous equation of higher order with constant coefficient, which is given by equation 1. Here homogeneous equation, that means each term having same degree. Now here f of d into d dash into z equal to f of xy, and here f of d dash is a polynomial in d and d dash. And we solve this equation by finding CF and plus PI, that means CF means complementary function and PI means particular integral. There are different cases of CF and PI for solving this linear homogeneous equation of higher order. Partial differential equations application, mainly we can solve this wave equation. This is wave equation, then heat flow equation, one dimensional heat flow equation, two dimensional heat flow equations, then transmission lines equations, that means telegraph equations in terms of voltage, in terms of current, then radio equations. We can solve all these equations by method of separation of variable. These are the main application of partial differential equation. Thank you.